exploring a streetwear clothing store. Vivi, look at this shirt. It's so cool.
Oh, wow. This style is making such a comeback lately. Everyone's into them now.
Hi, can I try this shirt on?
Of course. The fitting room's right there.
Your shop has such a cool vibe. Did you always sell streetwear clothes?
Not always. I started collecting streetwear clothes as a hobby, but when I saw how popular it was becoming, I turned it into a business.
Makes sense. Streetwear is so unique, and every piece has a story.
What do you think?
You look amazing. It's like you stepped out of a movie.
That shirt's unique. It's handmade. A renowned fashion designer created it. You won't find another one like it.
I love it. How much is it?
It's $45. A great deal for something this rare.
I'll take it. Do you have anything to go with it? Maybe some jewelry?
Check out these earrings. They have the same style with the shirt.
These are perfect. I'll get them too. Picking flowers at a street stand. Wow, Ella, your flowers look so fresh today. The colors are stunning.
Thank you, Hannah. I just got these in this morning. Are you looking for something special?
Yes, I need a gift for a friend's birthday. What do you suggest?
Let's see. These tulips are very fresh and cheerful, perfect for celebrations. Or, if you're going for something timeless, we have roses, always a favorite.
The roses do look lovely. Do you have any white ones?
Yes, but you're in luck. They're very popular, and I only have a few left.
White roses are her favorite. I'll take a dozen.
Should I wrap them up for you, or would you prefer them in a vase?
Wrapped, please. She has plenty of vases at home. The supermarket. Hello. Did you find everything you need today?
Yes, all good. Thank you.
Great. That will be $25.40. Do you want to pay by cash or card?
Card here, please.
It says the card was declined.
Declined? What's declined?
It means the card didn't work. Maybe there's a problem. Could you try another card?
Oh, okay. Let me check. I only have this card. What can I do?
No problem. Do you have cash?
No cash, sorry.
No problem. Do you see the ATM outside, near the entrance?
ATM? Oh, yes, I see it.
You can use your card there to take out cash, then come back here to pay.
Oh, okay, I'll do that. Thank you for helping.
The airport.
Excuse me, is this where I put my bag for the security check?
Yes, ma'am. Please place your bag on the conveyor belt.
Oh, no, it's stuck.
Let me help you.
No, I can do it. Okay, maybe not.
Don't worry, ma'am. I'll take care of it.
Thank you.
There you go.
Wow, you made that look so easy.
Well, I'm a bit taller than you. It helps.
I guess being 5 feet tall isn't great for pushing big bags.
Well, it's all set now. Have a safe trip.
Thank you so much.
The bus stop. Excuse me, is this the bus stop for the city center?
Yes, it is. Are you going to the city center?
Yes, city center. What's bus number?
You need bus number 12. It should arrive in 5 minutes.
Bus 12. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Do you already have a ticket?
No ticket. Where to buy?
You can buy it from the driver. Just tell them where you're going.
Oh, okay. How much is the ticket?
It's $2.50. Have small money ready.
Okay, thank you so much.
My back hurts from sitting too long.
I need a break.
What's wrong?
My back hurts from sitting too long. I've been staring at this screen for hours.
Yeah, I feel you. I think we've been here for almost 3 hours.
No wonder my back feels stiff. I should have moved around more.
Let's take a quick walk. A little movement might help.
That's a great idea. Plus, I could use some fresh air.
And maybe another coffee.
You just want an excuse to grab another latte.
Guilty as charged. But seriously, let's stretch our legs before we turn into statues.
Agreed. Let's go.
Let me think for a second. Okay, so what do you feel like watching tonight?
Let me think for a second. There are too many choices.
I know, right? We spend more time choosing than actually watching. We could watch an action movie. There's a new one everyone's talking about.
Action? I'm not really in the mood for that. I want something more relaxing. What about a comedy?
A comedy sounds good. There's a new one with that actor you like.
Oh, really? Which actor?
The guy from that other movie we watched last month. What's his name again?
You mean Ryan Reynolds? Or Chris Pratt?
No, the one from that romantic comedy you made me watch.
Oh, Paul Rudd?
Yeah, he's in the new one, Dumb and Dumber.
Seriously? That's an old movie, Jake.
Okay, I was kidding. The real movie is Ghostbusters, Frozen Empire. Looks hilarious.
I could use a good laugh. Let's watch it.
Finally, I thought you'd never decide.
Hey, choosing a movie is serious business.
All right, let's get some snacks first. Popcorn or chips?
Both, and maybe some chocolate too.
Could you pass me the salt, please?
This pasta is really good. How's your steak?
It's great, cooked just the way I like it.
That's good. My pasta is nice, but it needs a little more flavor.
Do you want some pepper?
No, I think just a bit of salt would be perfect.
I don't see the salt shaker.
Oh, I think it's near you. Could you pass me the salt, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thanks. Just a little bit. Ah, much better.
See? I have great salt passing skills.
Yeah, I'll call you the Salt Master from now on.
That's a title I can live with.
The Wi-Fi is down again.
Oh, why is this page taking so long to load?
Huh? Wait, my email's on sending.
Let me check. Nope, nothing's working.
Great, the Wi-Fi's down again.
Seriously? That's the third time today.
Yeah, and I have a meeting in 15 minutes. This is bad.
Maybe we should ask the barista?
Hey, excuse me, is there a problem with the Wi-Fi?
Oh, sorry. We're having some connection issues. It should be back on in a few minutes.
Well, I guess we'll have to wait.
Or we could just use my phone's hotspot.
You're a genius. Let's do that before my meeting starts.
You owe me a coffee for this.
Deal. Just get me back online. What's for dinner tonight?
Oh, I'm starving. What's for dinner tonight?
Good question. We have some leftovers from yesterday. Or we could order something.
I don't really feel like leftovers. What about cooking?
Cook? Do you remember what happened last time? You almost set the kitchen on fire. You literally screamed, "Jake, help!" and ran out of the kitchen.
That was one time. It wasn't that bad. And to be fair, the recipe was confusing.
Right, because stir occasionally means leave it on high heat and walk away.
Are you done making fun of me?
Almost. Just give me a second.
Very funny. Anyway, what do you want to eat?
Something easy. I don't want to spend hours cooking.
Maybe pasta? It's easy, and we have the ingredients.
Sounds good. You cook, and I'll be your assistant.
Oh, wow. I feel so honored. What exactly does your assistant job include?
I'll read the instructions, taste test, and supervise.
So basically, you're doing nothing.
I call it supervising with style.
Deal. But if I burn something, it's your fault for trusting me.
How often do you buy new shoes? Whoa! Look at that sale sign. Up to 50% off. I'm going in.
Already? Didn't you just buy sneakers like last week?
That was 2 weeks ago, and those were running shoes.
Okay, but seriously, how often do you have to buy new shoes?
Maybe once a month? Sometimes twice, if there's a good sale.
Wow, I buy shoes when mine have literal holes in them.
That's tragic. Shoes are like mood boosters. New shoes, new me.
Or new shoes, less money.
Look, these Nikes are 40% off. I'd be losing money if I didn't buy them.
That's not how math works. But okay, let's pretend it is.
Oh, they have my size. It's fate. Want to get a matching pair?
Me? Nah, I'm still wearing the same sneakers from college. They've got character.
They've got holes, Daniel. That's not character. That's a cry for help.
Fine, I'll look.
I'm looking for a nice bouquet. Hi there. I'm looking for a nice bouquet for my friend's birthday.
Love that. Is your friend a flower person?
Yes, definitely a flower person. She takes more pictures of her plants than of people.
Great. So, what kind of vibe are we going for?
Something fun and colorful. It's her 30th, so I want it to pop.
All right, I'm thinking sunflowers would be perfect.
That sounds amazing. Can we add some pink roses too? She loves pink.
Absolutely. Pink roses, coming right up. Do you want some tiny birthday cards?
Yes, please.
Gotcha.
How much do I owe you?
Only $28, girl.
Deal. She's going to love this. Thanks.
Anytime.
Do you prefer shopping alone or with friends?
Do you prefer shopping alone or with friends?
I think I prefer shopping with friends.
Really? I thought you might prefer shopping alone.
Oh, I used to shop alone, but I find it more enjoyable with company. Plus, it's nice to get opinions.
I guess I like being able to focus and take my time when I'm by myself. No distractions.
That's fair. But when I'm with friends, I get to see different styles and ideas.
I can see that. I mean, I sometimes need a reference comment.
Exactly. And we can also try on clothes, take pictures together.
That does sound fun. I think I might enjoy it more to have a shopping buddy like you.
My pleasure, buddy. I promise I'll help you find the best deals.
Deal.
I want to return this dress. Excuse me, I want to return this dress. Of course. Do you have the receipt with you? Yes, here it is. Great. Can I ask why you're returning it? I just don't think it suits me. It's too light around the waist. I see. That happens sometimes. Do you want to exchange it for something else, or would you prefer a refund? I think I'll just get a refund, please. I don't want to spend any more time looking around today. No problem. I'll process the return for you. We'll have your refund ready in just a minute. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a great day. Do you have any toys for cats? Excuse me. Do you have any toys for cats?
Oh, absolutely. What kind of toy are you looking for?
I'm not sure.
Well, we have simple balls, plush mice. Does your cat like to play with anything specific?
She loves chasing things.
We have some of these rolling balls. They make noise and they're great for keeping cats entertained.
That sounds perfect. I'll take one of those.
We also have these laser toys if she likes to chase moving lights. Cats go crazy for those.
Oh, I think she would love that. I'll grab one of those too.
Perfect. I'll get all of these ready for you.
Thanks so much. I'm sure she's going to love these.
No problem. Have fun with your cat.